In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. With the glove box down, we have this little damper that you just slide off there. Let that go. And just on both sides, just push in, and this will tip right down and slide out. Just pull that cover down. You can see on both sides, you just push in those tabs, that comes out. Just slide it out, just like that. Take the new one. You want to check the airflow, and we want the flow to go down. And it's going to go in sideways. There is a wire. You might have to push the wire out of the way a little bit. Just slide it in. Oops. Take the cover. Get the cover lined up. Just lock it down. Now take the damper. You want to pull that out before we put the glove box in. Get the lower part of the glove box on. Get that latched in. Push the sides in. And we're going to connect the damper. It's connected. Close, open, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.